Desirable Hamilton Forest and very well-maintained home. Manicured yard, replacement windows, 2020 roof, plantation shutters on most windows. Extra large bedrooms and all on second floor. Flex room on first floor can be office, playroom, nursery or put in a twin bed for a napping room. Update this great home with your custom changes to make it your own. Living room was used as the master bedroom for this owner. Cozy den on the back of the home with gas fireplace. Big dining room and across from the dog park.